Welcome to Million Dollar Mansions, the channel where the world's most extraordinary luxury homes are showcased through pure cinematic storytelling. Today's feature is a breathtaking royal mansion that represents the perfect fusion of modern luxury and timeless palace architecture. This is not just a residence. It is a complete statement of elegance, scale, balance, and refined lifestyle design. As the drone rises into the sky, the full estate reveals itself in remarkable symmetry. From above, the mansion sits like a masterpiece carved into the landscape. Perfectly planned gardens, geometric pathways, and a harmonious architectural layout immediately communicate prestige and control. The color palette of brown, white, pink, and red creates a warm yet powerful visual identity. These tones balance luxury with royalty, allowing the estate to feel both grand and welcoming. From the aerial perspective, every line is intentional, every curve is refined, and every element serves a purpose. This is an estate designed not only to impress from the ground, but to command attention from the sky. Its scale is massive, yet the design remains clean, elegant, and timeless. The aerial view alone confirms that this mansion belongs in a class of its own. As the drone slowly descends, the full front elevation comes into view. Here, the true royal character of the mansion is revealed. Grand arches, carved columns, and perfectly balanced proportions define the facade. The exterior materials speak the language of luxury. Elegant white stone provides sophistication, rich brown and red accents add depth and authority, while soft pink tones introduce warmth and refinement. Together, they form a visual identity that feels powerful without being overwhelming. The front view is not designed for simplicity. It is designed for presence. Every architectural detail contributes to a commanding first impression that reflects heritage, craftsmanship, and prestige. Moving closer to the entrance, attention naturally shifts to the luxury doors. These are not ordinary doors. They are a statement of craftsmanship and scale. Massive handcrafted wooden panels, intricate carvings, and premium metallic accents turn the entrance into a work of art. The doors feel solid, secure, and royal, creating a powerful transition between the outside world and the private luxury within. Standing before these doors, the experience feels ceremonial. This is not just an entry into a house. It is an entry into a refined lifestyle built on design, comfort, and exclusivity. Inside, the mansion opens into expansive interiors defined by height, light, and symmetry. High ceilings and wide corridors create a sense of openness and grandeur. Natural light flows effortlessly through the space, enhancing textures and finishes. The interior color palette remains consistent with the exterior theme. Brown, white, pink, and red tones are used with precision, maintaining harmony throughout the home. This consistency strengthens the mansion's identity and elevates the overall experience. The main living hall immediately showcases scale and sophistication. Spacious seating arrangements, carefully placed decor, and subtle lighting create a cinematic environment. This is a space designed not only for comfort, but for visual impact. Every corner of the living hall reflects intention. The layout encourages movement, conversation, and relaxation, while maintaining a strong sense of luxury. It is a perfect balance between openness and intimacy. The dining area continues this refined experience. A long, elegant dining table anchors the space, surrounded by finely crafted chairs and warm ambient lighting. This is a setting where every meal feels elevated and every gathering feels memorable. The kitchen blends modern functionality with royal aesthetics. Polished marble surfaces, premium fixtures, and clean architectural lines create a space that is both beautiful and efficient. Luxury here is practical, seamless, and effortless. Bedrooms within the mansion are designed as private retreats. The master bedroom, in particular, feels like a personal palace. Spacious proportions, refined textures, and soft lighting create an atmosphere of calm and comfort. This is a space meant for rest and renewal. Every design choice supports relaxation while maintaining elegance and prestige. The bathrooms reflect spa-level luxury. Marble finishes, premium fittings, and warm lighting transform everyday routines into moments of indulgence. These spaces feel serene, refined, and perfectly balanced. The staircases within the mansion act as architectural sculptures. Wide marble steps, elegant railings, and dramatic angles turn movement into a visual experience. They connect floors while enhancing the mansion's overall flow and grandeur. Outside, the garden areas extend the luxury into nature. Lush green lawns, perfectly trimmed hedges, and carefully arranged flower beds create a landscape that feels controlled yet natural. The gardens are not decoration, they are part of the architecture. The swimming pool area adds a resort-style dimension to the estate. Clear water, marble pool decks, and surrounding greenery create a space designed for relaxation and visual beauty. This area embodies luxury living at its finest. As daylight fades, the mansion transforms once again. The night view introduces a completely new atmosphere. Architectural lighting highlights arches, columns, and textures, revealing the depth of the design. Warm golden lights create dramatic contrast against the night sky, giving the mansion a cinematic glow. At night, the estate feels even more royal. The lighting does not overpower the architecture. Instead, it enhances every detail, allowing the design to speak for itself. This mansion represents more than luxury. It represents vision, planning, and execution at the highest level. Every space, every material, and every angle contributes to a unified architectural statement. True luxury is not defined by size alone. It is defined by balance, precision, and experience. This home demonstrates how modern comfort and royal heritage can exist together in perfect harmony. Thank you for joining Million Dollar Mansions on this exclusive cinematic tour. We bring you the world's most remarkable luxury homes, designed to inspire and captivate. Stay connected with Million Dollar Mansions for more iconic estates, royal residences, and ultra-luxury architectural masterpieces. Million Dollar Mansions, where luxury is not just seen, it is experienced.